Welcome to First Time Feast. Let's make some breakfast pizza. Let's get it. Let's get it.
Let's get it.
Yeah, that was stupid, but hey, we got some breakfast pizza. Let's get after it. All right, let's rough chop all of our vegetables and get everything going. Nothing has to be perfect here. We're just going to be going for a medium mince. Then we're going to break down our sausage and get it into the pan. I'm using Jimmy Dean today because, to be honest, is there really any other breakfast sausage? Turn your heat to a medium-high and get everything nice and scrambled. This will take roughly 5 minutes to thoroughly cook. You're kind of going for just a nice brown here. Then once done, set it aside. Now we're going to get our eggs ready to scramble.
Let's see.
Yeah, extra shells.
4 scrambled eggs for this breakfast pizza.
Just 5 would be too many. 3 simply just not enough. We were making a 16-inch pizza today, so 4 eggs was more than enough just to cover the top. Yeah, I don't know about that guy. So let's check back into our sausage. It looks like it's just about done. So let's go ahead and take it out and move it into a bowl. Next, we're going to get ready to cook our eggs. So go ahead and grab a knob of butter and get it into your pan. This will help make sure the eggs don't stick, and it's going to add a nice little layer of richness. Next, you're going to want to season up your eggs. For this, we're just using a little bit of salt and pepper. From this point on, just keep the eggs moving so they don't stick until they're done. My God, those are hideous. But guess what? They're going to be just fine. Okay, so eggs are done. Now let's go ahead and get our dough ready and get it all assembled. For the dough, I'm just using a Mama Cassie's pizza dough that I picked up at Aldi's for about $1. Get your pan all nice and lubed up and toss your dough in. Make sure you spread it to all sides, and we'll get ready for the toppings. I like to pretend I know what I'm doing and pinch the sides up into the corners. Makes me feel like a real Italian, you know? So I was told for the best breakfast pizza, you gotta use a generic cheese sauce. So it doesn't get any more generic than this queso I got from Aldi's. Once your cheese is evenly spread, go ahead and sprinkle on the rest of your toppings. We're going to hit a nice coat with our sausage. I went pretty heavy-handed with this bell pepper. Realistically, we probably could have only used half. Then I put on our pathetic-looking eggs from earlier. And then lastly, I'm going to finish it off with a little bit of cheddar cheese and some of our finely shredded mozzarella. From the bag. Not going to lie, all in all, this breakfast pizza looked pretty good. Hey, real quick, if you like what you're seeing, please do me a favor and subscribe.
All right, we got our breakfast pizza. We got our breakfast pizza assembled. Let's go put it in the oven on 400 degrees for 25 minutes. Just got done making this thing. I can't wait to give it a try. Let's go ahead and grab a slice and just dig in. Oh my God, this cheese sauce is just screaming hot. There's a nice cheese pull on this thing. Oh my gosh, let's take a gander at this. Got the sausage, the bell pepper, those eggs. It's gonna be really hot. Let's go. That's really solid, guys. I mean, if you are hungover and you're feeling like crap, you need to soak up all that extra. This is how to do it. Thanks for following along. If you want to check out more recipes at home, hit me up at First Time Feast. Thanks.
That's it?
Yeah. I'm just gonna make it short, quick.
That's all?
That's all we're doing, mate.
Okay, all right.
With my shitty chopped bell peppers that you keep getting shots of.